Hi guys, welcome to How to Solve YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can get Instagram post you have liked option. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. First, you need to open Instagram application. Once you open Instagram, then you need to click on your profile at the right bottom corner. Then you need to click on three bars at the top right corner. Then you need to click on settings, and here in account you will find the option of post you have liked under the request verification, but now it is not showing. You simply need to go back and open Google Chrome and search here Instagram APK and download the older version of Instagram. And if you download the older version of Instagram, this option is available to you. So by following these steps, you can easily get post you have liked option on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.